Hi friend, this is Salman Pathan from Math.0 channel. So today we will see the next problem on indefinite integral. So it is one of the same type of previous video. Instead of sin x, we have used this cos x, and the values of constant are different here. Okay. So now first of all we will consider I is equals to integration of 1 upon 4 plus 5 cos square x dx. Okay, now here we have to divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. After dividing numerator and denominator, we will get I is equals to integration of 1 upon cos square x upon 4 plus 5 cos square x upon cos square x into dx. Okay, now in next step I is equals to integration of 1 upon cos square x will be sec square x into dx upon 4 upon cos square x will be 4 sec square x plus 5 cos square x upon cos square x will be 5. Okay, now in next step I is equals to integration of, in next step we have to write the term which is at denominator in terms of tan or cot, but here sec is given, so we have to write in terms of tan. Okay, so numerator, that is sec square x dx upon 4. We know that sec square x is equals to 1 plus tan square x, which is one of the trigonometric identity. Okay, so 1 plus tan square x plus 5. Now in next step I is equals to integration of sec square x dx upon, now we will multiply this 4 in inner bracket. We will get 4 plus 4 tan square x plus 5. Now in next step I is equals to integration of sec square x dx upon, here 4 plus 5 will be 9 and 4 tan square x as it is. Okay, 4 tan square x plus 9. Now we will do one thing. We will take 4 common from the denominator and write next steps. Okay, sec square x dx, 4 will be common from the denominator, and in bracket it remains tan square x plus 9 by 4. So I is equals to integration of, this is 1 by 4 which is constant, so we will take constant out of integral. 1 by 4 sec square x dx upon tan square x plus 9 by 4. So I is equals to integration of 1 by 4, I is equals to 1 by 4 into integration sec square x dx upon tan square x plus, so here 9 by 4 can be written as 3 by 2 bracket square. Okay, now I is equals to, now in next step we will use the method of substitution, and we will put tan x is equals to t. Okay, now after differentiating with respect to x, we will get sec square x dx is equals to dt. Okay, now further steps we will write here. So I is equals to, we will put the values that we are getting after the putting tan x equals to t in our given integration. So I is equals to 1 by 4 sec square x dx will be dt. Okay, dt upon tan square x will be t square plus 3 by 2 bracket square as it is. Now here for solving further integration you must know about the formulas of integration. So here we will use one of them. So using integration of 1 upon x square plus a square, which is equals to 1 by a tan inverse x upon a. Okay, so by applying this formula of integration we will get our final answer. So 1 by 4 into 1 by a. So here a is equals to 3 by 2 and x is equals to t. So 1 upon a means 1 upon 3 by 2 into tan inverse x upon a. So value of x is t, okay, and value of a is 3 by 2. Now plus c, as we are solving the problems which is based on the indefinite integral, so we have to write the constant of integration at the end. Okay, so I is equals to 3 by 2 can be written as 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 tan inverse 3 by 2 can be written as 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3 into t plus c. So I is equals to 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay, 3 into 2 6, 1 by 6 tan inverse. Okay, as I have said in earlier videos that when we are using the method of substitution, then at the end we have to resubstitute the values of t or any constant which we have substituted before. So here we are substituting the t is equals to tan x. So in the step of final answer we have to resubstitute the value of t, which is tan x. Okay, so 2 by 3 into tan x plus c. This will be the final answer of our given problem, that is integration of 1 upon 4 plus 5 cos square x into d.